Namaste friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And please don't forget to like and share my videos. Friends, in my previous video, you have learned words with ow symbol. औ की मात्रा वाले शब्द. Let's practice two words. औ plus र plus त. औ र त. औरत. औरत means woman. Next word is प plus औ plus ध plus आ. प औ पौ ध आ धा. पौधा. पौधा means plant. Now I will teach you words with ang symbol. अंग की मात्रा वाले शब्द. So let's start. Here are two words. For example, ह plus ang plus s. Hans. Hans means swan. Ang plus d plus a. Anda. Anda means egg. Let's practice more words with using ang symbol. R plus ang plus g. Rang. You can read it here. Rang. Rang means color. You can see here many colors that we call in Hindi rang. Next is sh plus ang plus kh. Shank. You can read here shank. Shank means conch. Next word is p plus ang plus kh plus a. Pankha. Pankha. Pankha means fan. Next word th plus ang plus d plus a. Thanda. Thanda. Thanda means cold. Next word gh plus ang plus t plus e. Ghanti. Ghanti. Ghanti means bell. Next word k plus ang plus kh plus e. Kanghi. Kanghi. Kanghi means comb. Next word is p plus t plus ang plus g. Patang. Patang. Patang means kite. Next word is b plus ang plus d plus r. Bandar. Bandar. Bandar means monkey. Next word is sa plus ang plus sa plus a plus r. Sansar. Sansar. Sansar means world. Next word is sa plus ang plus ta plus ra plus a. Santara. 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 Santara means orange. Friends, we will practice some more words and you should also read with me. Let's start. Sant. You can read from here. Sant. Sant means saint. Chanda. Read here. Chanda. Chanda means moon. Angur. Angur. Angur means grapes. Jhanda. Jhanda. Jhanda means flag. Palang. Palang. Palang means bed. Mangal. Mangal. Mangal means auspicious. Jungle. Jungle. Jungle means forest. Mantri. Mantri. Mantri means minister. Sundar. Sundar. Sundar means beautiful. Mandir. Mandir. Mandir means temple. I hope you are reading with me. So friends, we have learned vowels from a to ang. Let's practice. A, I, U, ri. E, o, ang. Now friends, your turn to practice more words. Find out more words and try to read these. Thanks for watching my video, friends. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will teach you aha chinke shabd in my next video. Till then, bye bye friends. See you in my next video.